Hey, what's going on? Today, I'm going to be giving this Bissell carpet cleaner a try on this Toyota Camry right here. I just picked this up off Amazon. It's one of their highest rated carpet cleaners out there. So I'm really hoping that it's going to do a really good job on these seats I got here. Check it out. So those Camry seats, they're not too bad. It's got a couple stains in it. Looks like someone's been eating in it. Maybe there's a little marker or whatever. This is pretty typical looking right here, got some loose dirt. It's a little black here. So this whole thing's tan, so it gets pretty dirty pretty easily. And got some feet print. Oh, not some feet print, but some shoe marks, things like that right there. So yeah, the carpet cleaner's got really good reviews, so I'm hoping that it'll do a really good job on that seat. The back seat actually has some black stuff back here. Let's see if it pulls that out real fast. So with the Bissell itself, it comes with some detergent, but I did buy a bigger bottle of it over there because I'm going to do some couches with this thing. It comes with two heads, medium and large. This is the tank where all the dirt will go in, the dirty water. It comes right off pretty easily. It's got a little full line there, a little full indicator. So plenty of extension cord. This is where I'm going to be putting the solution at and the water, and put some warm water in here. Take this cap off, put warm water, put whatever the recommended amount of detergent is in there. And see how much hose this thing comes with. Not too bad. Good amount of hose. I don't know how many feet that is exactly. It looks like what, maybe 5 feet. And off and on. And that's it. Well, first thing I'm going to do is vacuum that out, and then we'll hit it up with the Bissell and see what it does. Alright, so I got some warm water in the bottle, and it says about 2 ounces right here. This is 8 ounces, so I'm just going to pour a quarter of this solution into the tank. Alright, spill it all over the floor mat, and take a big guess, and that feels about right. What I want to do is pre-soak the area, and after taking that floor mat off, there's all kinds of weird little black marks and everything. I don't really know what that is, but I'm going to pre-soak all this too, and then I'll hit it up with the suction. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Let's see how dirty this is. Oh, look at that. It's so black. Look at all that dirt. You can't even see through it anymore. And that's just out of the driver's side. I can't imagine doing the whole car. But look at that. Whew, look good to get that out of the carpet. Look at that. To open it up, I think you just do this. Then it just comes off, we just go dump it. Alright guys, so check it out. There we go, the seat came out pretty good. The carpet came out real good. As far as like the floor mat right here, it had like a big fat stain right here. Most of it came right out. There's a little bit left here that I could probably work on a little bit more and it'll come right out, but man, the seats came out really good. Still a little damp right now, but all this was like brown, and it had some like red stuff here. I don't know if that was makeup, I don't know what that was really, but you know, there was like some food, but most of it all came right out. But yeah, this is vinyl right here on these sides right here. That's why I didn't do these. But underneath the carpet, it was like all black, and there was shoe marks on the side here. All that came right out. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty impressed. All right, so that is the Bissell carpet cleaner. I'm glad I have it. I've got kids, and they make a pretty big mess, you know, in the car and in the house and everything like that. So here in a minute, I'm gonna run inside and go hit it up on the couch and see how well it does on the couch. I'm pretty glad that I bought it. I got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out yourself. If you have any questions, just you can hit me up down in the comment box below. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. That's pretty much it. You guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.